All right, so this is the style that we're kind of going for here. Harry Styles has been wearing a new hairstyle, which I think is really cool, and I'm going to give you a tutorial on how I would go about recreating his hairstyle. So I've already cut this mannequin, and because I had a mannequin laying around that was like, oh my god, this literally is his hair. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start the prepping of the style and then show you my take on how to go about styling it. First thing I'm going to do is utilize 25 spray. 25 spray is just a great spray for detangling knots. It's got 25 hair benefits. It contains collagen, biotin, and keratin in it, as well as other amazing ingredients. I'm going to give it a good shake, and this is literally just prepping the hair, right? For everyone who wants to, who's obsessed with having celebrity hair, they're using incredible products, right? Like, they're not just going to the drugstore and buying, like, a $3.99 hair paste. Like, celebrities are using good quality stuff. So that's why I'm suggesting these products. I'm going to use my anti-static vent brush now just to get rid of the knots. And yes, even on shorter hair, you need to brush your hair, right? So this is my favorite brush. I don't suggest taking like a hair cutting comb, something like this, and just ripping through your hair, because that can actually create more knots. And what we're trying to do is actually get through the knots. And this hair, believe it or not, as short as it is fairly knotty because of this being styled so many times, and before it just had a lot of product in it. So you have to get through those knots. And this is, in my opinion, my favorite vent brush, and a great way to do that. So once everything is combed through, right? The 25 spray is in the hair. It's going to make the hair look very, very healthy. That's another thing, is a lot of times celebrities, their hair is very healthy looking. Again, biotin, collagen, keratin, as well as other things in one bottle. So you want your hair to look very, very healthy. So now that I've done that, I'm going to actually comb the hair in place like this, right? I'm going to kind of start to set up how I want this to look and how I'm going to style this, right? And then I'm going to start to look at this and figure out, do I want to have a bit more volume? Do I want to have a bit more texture? Like, what is my end result of how I want this to look? Well, considering 25 spray already has a lot of good ingredients in it, and it's going to get the job done, I'm okay with just using 25 spray. If I wanted more volume in one area or texture, then I would use tidal wave as well. But I think for now, 25 spray is going to be enough. So I'm going to blow dry the hair now, and then it's a matter of what am I going to use as a post or finishing product to, kind of bring the whole style together. So, all right, now I'm going to use the blow dryer, and I'm just going to start blow drying it. I will, from time to time, use the brush like this. With this type of blow dry, you can actually, or this type of style, you can kind of rough it around a little bit like this. Because this is a hairstyle where we do want a little more texture and a little more separation. So it's okay if we're kind of rough drying it slightly. And while you're blow drying your hair, if you do want to have hair kind of sticking out like this, then you need to lift from the root area. Don't mat it down like this. You actually need to kind of rough it up like this and lift from the root. And that's how you're going to get a little more volume and texture when you're blow drying it. So as I'm coming towards the front here, I'm actually blow drying the hair in a more downwards direction like this, because I want the hair to lay a bit more flat into here. I probably could have, if there's one thing, I could have had this slightly longer into here. However, it's close enough, but he does have maybe a little bit more length in here, not a whole lot. But I want this to lay flat as opposed to blow drying it upwards and all over the place. So I'm actually blow drying the hair in the direction that it would, in your case, a human, naturally grow. And you can see how nice that it's, contouring the head. Now, if you do have a cowlick in this area right here, I always suggest just blow drying the hair and following the natural pattern of how it grows. Meaning that if it grows in a circle right here, then blow dry it following that circle. And that's how you prevent the hair from sticking straight up. See? And you're able to tame it like this. Now, if you notice, I'm kind of working systematically here to where I'm starting with the sides, and I'm really trying to like sculpt and mold this hair. And for all of you who are wondering, yes, this is 100% human hair. And what I'm doing, once again, is I'm blow drying the hair, downwards like this, to kind of control the hair a bit more, as you can see in through here. All right, so now that we're getting to the top, what I'm doing is I'm going to start adding a little bit of a direction, and I'm going to start to kind of blow dry the hair in a somewhat downward or forward motion like this, because I want this hair to be coming forward. This is where like the styling part of all this happens on the top, right? So I worked my way this way, and now I'm going to be focusing just throughout the top right here. All right, so this is the style that we're kind of going for here, and obviously it's not done yet, but you can see it's kind of like got a direction where it's kind of going over a bit this way, right? It's going over a bit this way, up in the front here, and it's just got like a lot of soft texture. So I have to find a product that is going to give me the texture I'm looking for, keep it looking healthy. And you can see the reason I blow dried it down this way is because it just lays flat to the head. Then I can build in that volume and texture. I could probably almost do this just like that, and it's almost like looking like it almost, just like that. This is where the power of 25 spray is definitely coming in handy. So for this particular product, again, there's a couple of different ways that we can go. I'm going to go with my newest structural styler product. You have a couple of options. It's either, I would say, the sea salt matte paste or structural styler, because there's already a lot of pliability and volume in here. I want something that's going to look a bit more natural and a bit softer, with more of a pliable, just looking like it's a movable texture. So I'm going to go with structural styler. So I'm just going to scoop out a little bit. You don't need a lot with this. This is by far such an incredible product. It's one of my favorites. So I'm going to work it through the hands like this. And it's a very, very light product. So what I'm going to do is, while it's still a bit, I would say, more on the grippy side, because it does break down really well, I'm going to start to apply this product to the hair. And I'm just going to build in that structure so I have some pliability to work with. And as you could see, kind of like within seconds, it's already looking like his hairstyle. And I almost feel like within one shot, I got it. So it's like, this is something where, again, it's just about pliability. It's about like just creating a little bit of texture and working it in to where it just lays perfectly. All right, so let's see through here. There we go. It's got a lot of nice texture to it, and I think this is looking pretty good. So let's add some product in the back here. So we've got some in the back. So yeah, I mean, like, basically, There it is right there. And it's almost pretty much identical right here. Let me see this side here. Little soft texture into here. Yep. So yeah, here's the style. And let me know what you all think of this. I think it's an awesome, as far as the length, some of you may be asking like, oh, what's the hair length? And I would say on top it's probably about 2.5, no more than 3 inches long. Definitely no more than that. That's just way too long. Same thing in the front here. It's all pretty much the same, right? The same consistency, the same length, and it should be pretty easy to style. Nothing too difficult, right? So I hope you all enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments below. Do you like this haircut? Do you like this new style that he's been wearing? Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Structure Styler and 25 Spray. You can get it right here. I'll see you soon.